Hi, welcome to the UiLover. Today I'm showing you this online shoes app built with Jetpack Compose. Let's take a quick look.
This is Velocity, a modern sneaker shopping U I built with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. The flow moves from a clean home screen into the shop, product details, and cart without slowing the experience down. The goal here was simple: make the products feel dominant, keep the interface easy to scan, and keep every main action obvious. Most of the interface uses white and light gray surfaces, with electric blue reserved for selected states, navigation, and the main calls to action. Large product photography does most of the visual work, while bold headings and generous spacing keep the hierarchy clear. This is not just a set of static screens. In Android Studio, the project is implemented with Kotlin, Jetpack Compose, Material 3, ViewModels, and UiState. You can see the screen packages and the app running in the emulator. Antigravity and Claude Sonnet 5 were used as implementation tools. This demo uses mock product data with an in-memory state layer, so it focuses on the Android UI and interactions rather than a production backend. For one Compose detail, look at the favorite button inside the product card. The card does not create and own a separate favorite state. It receives the current favorite value and exposes a callback when the heart is tapped. That event goes back to the ViewModel, which updates the shared state. The UI redraws from that state. That is state hoisting in a practical UI flow. It keeps the reusable card focused on rendering and events, instead of hiding state inside the component. It also means the same favorite change can be reflected outside the card, including the favorite screen. So a very small interaction in the product grid stays consistent with the rest of the app. That keeps visual feedback predictable when the same product appears across multiple screens. Here is the final result running in the emulator. The original flow now covers browsing, product details, cart interactions, and I also used AI to extend the original reference set with favorites and profile screens, while keeping the same visual language. If you want to explore the project yourself, members can get the complete Android Studio source, the assets, and the editable design files. The AI prompts and documentation are included as bonus material. Which screen do you like most in this UI? Home, shop, product detail, or cart?